And welcome on board, Kiran Mazumdar Shaw from Biocon. Ms. Shaw, morning. Thanks so much for taking the time out and congratulations. Tell us a little bit more about this big boost coming in from the US FDA on the biosimilar.
Well, I think this is another big milestone for Biocon because, again, we are the first to actually get approval for a biosimilar peg-filled grasping. As you know, many companies have not yet crossed the finishing line. So for Biocon and Mylan to cross the finishing line way ahead of others is a big milestone. And we believe that this is a big opportunity. It's a $4 billion drug, and we think as a first mover, we'll have a good market opportunity to basically get a pretty decent market share.
Okay. The point that you just made, Ms. Shaw, about complex approvals coming in, is this the key takeaway from this drug approval, proving companies' R&D initiatives?
Absolutely. And, the investment now is paying off because I think there was a lot of concerns about the quantum of investment and the challenges we are taking on and the risks we are taking on. But you can see that we have actually delivered two very important biosimilars thus far. And I think we've established our credibility in being able to bring biosimilars to the US market, which is, I think, one of the most difficult markets in terms of getting approvability.
Okay. The Bangalore facility, Ms. Shaw, had got a Form 483 with, which investors were very concerned about. After this approval, also concerns of observations, would you say, now stand behind? Is that a thing of the past, and can we move forward?
Well, first and foremost, I think you must all understand that 483 does not mean that the plant is not in good shape or it's not approvable. These are observations, and many of these observations are about continual improvement recommendations. So I think to react to any 483 the way the Indian media does is not correct. You can see that the 483s did not come in the way of this approval. It was really a pre-qualification audit which we have passed.
So would you conclude then, Ms. Shaw, that biosimilars is still something which is concentrated in markets like US and EU, where there is not much pricing impact and very limited players still have visibility for approvals?
Yes, I believe for the next few years, this will definitely be a very, very attractive opportunity because it's not going to be very crowded. But I do expect more entrants over the next 5 years. So I think once it gets to be crowded, though I don't think it will be as crowded as generic because of the investment costs involved and the kind of capabilities that are required. So at least for the foreseeable future, it will be a good product segment to be in.
Ms. Shaw, such a pleasure speaking with you. It's a gap-up move coming in the stock, already taking it to the year high of almost 680 thereabouts. That's Biocon in focus for you, 670 plus on the stock.